Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivra Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and wholes. Okay students, and today's topic is comparison of fractions. Okay, now let's start. Question number 14. Question number 14 is arrange the following fractions in descending order. In descending order. Okay dear students, in this question we are given that 14 of A is 7 over 15, 3 over 5, 4 over 24, 3 over 10. Dear students, in this question here given that 7 over 15, 3 over 5, 4 over 24, 3 over 10. Okay students, in the expression we have to arrange in descending order. Okay, firstly we have to take the LCM of 15, 5, 25 and 10 for finding the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the LCM of 15, 5, 25 and 10. Okay, here we use prime factorization method for finding the LCM of 15, 5, 25 and 10. Dear students, we know that 15 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, 25 is not divisible by 2, but 10 is divisible by 2. Okay, therefore here we have to take 2. 15 is not divisible by 2, therefore here we have to take 15 as same. 5 is not divisible by 2, 25 is not divisible by 2. Okay, 10 is divisible by 2, yes, because 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, therefore here we can take 5. Okay distance, again here we take 3 5s are 15, yes, 15 is divisible by 3, therefore here we have to take 5. 5 is not divisible by 3, therefore here we have to take 5 as same. 25 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 3, 25 is not divisible by 3 and 5 is not divisible by 3. Okay, again here we have to take 5 because 5 is divisible by 5, 5 is divisible by 5, 25 is also divisible by 5. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Again here we get 5, therefore here we have to take 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Look here 1 1, 5 1s are 5 and here we have to take 1. Okay, so then LCM of this is, here we get 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, then the LCM of 2 The LCM of 15, 5, 25, 10 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 10. If we have to take the multiplication of this and this, we get 3 2 is 6 multiply by 5 5 is 25. After multiplying these, 6 5 is 30 of 0 carry 3, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, distance. Okay, here given that 7 over 15, 7 over 15 distance in this fraction. Look at here carefully. We know that 3 5 is 15. Okay, then in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 2 and 5 in numerator and denominator for getting the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can write 7 over 15 and here we have to take the multiplication of 2 and 5 in numerator and denominator. Okay, distance. After multiplying these, we get 7 2 is 14 and 14 5 is, yes, 14 5 is, yes, 14 5 is 60, 14 5 is 70, 7 2 is 14 and 14 5 is 70. Total upon 15 2 is 30. Okay, and 35 is 150. Okay, distance. This is the equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay, again here given that 3 over 5. Look, 3 over 5. Okay, distance. In this question here given that 5. Therefore here we have to take the multiplication of 2 into 3 into 5 in numerator and denominator. Okay, because 5 is here and 5 is. Therefore in this question here we have to take the multiplication of 2 into 3 into 5 in numerator and denominator for getting the same denominators. Okay, look at here carefully. After multiplying these, we get 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. 6 into 15 over 5 2 is 10 into 3 5 is 15. Okay, 15 6 is 90 over 15 10 is 150. Okay, distance. Next is 4 over 25. 4 over 25. Look at here carefully. Distance. We know that 5 5 is 25. Okay, 25 is here. Therefore, we can take the multiplication of 2 into 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, look at here carefully. 4 2 is 6 and 6 3 is 18 over 25 2 is 50. 50 plus 50 3 is 25 2 is 50. 53 is 150. Okay, similarly here given that 3 over 10. 3 over 10. Look at here carefully. Here given that 2 5 is 10. Okay, therefore we can take the multiplication of 3 by 5 in this fraction. It means that here we have to take the multiplication of 3 into 3 into 5 total upon 10 into 3 into 5. Understand? 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45 over 10 3 ja 30, 30 plus 5 is 10 3 ja 30, 30 into 5, 35 ja 150. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here we get 70 over 150, 90 over 150, 18 over 150 and 45 over 150. Okay, then the ascending order of this fraction is, look at here carefully, distance. Here the biggest fraction is 90 over 150, therefore here we have to take 90 over 150 is greater than 70 over 150, then here we can write 70 over 150, again we can write 45 over 150, 45 over 150 is greater than 18 over 150. Okay, distance. Therefore the fraction is, distance, look at here carefully, here given that 90 over 150, then we can write 3 over 5 in place of 90 over 150. Okay, therefore the greatest fraction of the given fraction is 3 over 5. Understand? And next fraction is, here we can write 7 over 15 in place of 70 over 30, then here we can write 7 over 15 is greater than, next 45 over 50, then here we can write 3 over 10 in place of 45 over 150, therefore here we can write 3 over 10 is greater, and the last fraction is, it means that the smallest fraction of this fraction is 4 over 25. Understand? 4 over 25. This is in descending order. Understand? This one similarly, do it yourself. Of question number 14. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 14 of B. 14 of B. Here given that 1 over 8, 1 over 5 over 6, 1 over 2, 3 over 4. Okay. Okay, since firstly we have to take the LCM of 8, 6, 2 and 4. Okay, for getting the same denominators. Okay, since look, at here carefully. Here we have to take the LCM of 8, 6, 2 and 4. Listen, we know that 8, 6, 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore, here we have to take 2. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again, we have to take 2, 2 2 ja 4. 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, here we have to take 3 as same. And here 1, 2 1 ja 2. Again, here we have to take 2, 2 1 ja 2, here 3, 1, 1, 3 1 ja 3 1 1. Okay, then the LCM is equal to, we have to take the multiplication of this. Okay, then we get 2 into 3 into 2, then we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, after multiplying these we get 2 2 ja 4 into 2 3 ja 6, and again 4 6 ja 24. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In this, here given that 1 over 8. Okay, okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Dear students, we know that 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24. Therefore, in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 3 in numerator and denominator, because we know that 8 3 ja 24. Therefore, we have to take the multiplication of 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 and 8 3 ja 24. Again 5 over 6, 5 over 6 is equal to, that's when we know that 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. Therefore, in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 2 2 ja 4. It means that in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 4 in numerator and denominator. Okay, after multiplying these we get 5 4 ja 20 over 6 4 ja 24. Again here given that 1 over 2. Okay, distance, we know that 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Therefore, we have to take the multiplication of 12 in numerator and denominator. Okay, after multiplying these we get 12 1 ja 12 over 12 2 ja 24, and next one is 3 over 4. This one we know that 4 6 ja 24, 4 6 ja, look at here carefully. Here given that 2 2 ja 4 and 4 6 ja 2 3 ja 6, 4 6 ja 24. Therefore, in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, okay, distance, 6 3 ja 18 over 6 4 ja 24. Okay, then the greatest fraction of this fraction is, look at here carefully. Here given that 3 over 24, 20 over 24, 12 over 24, 18 over 24. Then the greatest fraction is 20 over 24, because numerator 20 is greater than all given numerators. Okay, therefore, here we have to take 20 over 24 is greater than, distance, again we have to take 18 over 24, 18 over 24 is greater than 12 over 24, 12 over 24 is greater than 3 over 24, 3 over 24. Okay, therefore, the fraction, the equivalent fraction of 20 over 24 is 5 over 6. Therefore, here we have to take 5 over 6 in place of 20 over 24. Again, here given that 18 over 24, then we can write 3 over 4 in place of 18 over 24. Again, we can write 12 over 24. It means that here we can write 1 over 2, and here given that 3 over 24. Then here we can write 1 over 8 in place of 3 over 24. then the descending order of this fraction is this. Okay, students, similarly do it yourself in maths homework. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, dear students, question number 14C and D, do it yourself in maths homework. Okay, question number 14C and 14D, do it yourself in maths homework. Okay students, if any student have doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, okay students, now let's start question number 15. Question number 15 is fill with greater is less or equal. Question number 15 of A. Here given the 13 over 2 box 17 over 4. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4 because it is unlike fraction. Okay, therefore we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. Here we get 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, again 2 1 ja 2. Then LCM of 2 and 4 is 2 2 ja 4. Okay students, here we get 4 LCM. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 13 over 2. Distance, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator for finding the same denominator. Okay, therefore here we have to take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator. Okay, 13 2 ja 26 over 2 2 ja 4. Okay, again we can write here 17 over 4. Distance, here given that 4 and here 4, 4 1 ja 4, therefore we can take the multiplication of 1 in numerator and denominator. Therefore 17 1 ja 17 and 4 1 ja 4. Look at here carefully. Distance, in this fraction which is greater, look at here carefully. We know that 26 is greater than 74, 26 is greater than 17. Okay, distance, we know that 26 is greater than 17, therefore we can write 26 over 4 is greater than 17 over 4. Therefore here we have to take 13 over 2 in place of 26 by 4. Okay, because this is equivalent fraction. Understand? Therefore 13 over 2 is greater than 17 over 4. Okay, then which symbol are find here? Greater. Therefore here we have to take greater marks. It means that 13 over 2 is greater than 17 over 4. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions, okay, with the help of this. Now read this. Okay, we are given that question number 15 of B is 5 mixed 1 over 4 box 5 whole 1 over 6. Dear sons, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 4 and 5, then add 1. Okay, it means that this is a mixed fraction. Firstly we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. We are given that 5 whole 1 over 4. Okay, then we can take 4 into 5 plus 1 over 4. After solving these we get 4 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4. Again here given that 5 mixed 1 over 6 is equal to, here we can write 6 into 5 plus 1 over 6. After solving these we get 6 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31 over 6. Okay, students, here given that 21 over 4, here given that 31 over 6. Look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. Here we can write 3 as same because 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore here we have to take 3 as same. Here 1, 3 1 is 3. Okay, then the LCM of 4 and 6 is 2 into 2 into 3. Look at here carefully. Lessons, here given that 21 over 4, here given that 31 over 6. Okay, and the given denominator are not same. Firstly we make the denominator is same. Look at here carefully. Here given that 21 over 4, 21 over 4 is equal to 21 over 4 multiplied by distance. Here given that 4 3 is 12, then we have to take the multiplication of 3 in numerator and denominator. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. It means that 21 3 is 63 and 4 3 is 12. In this, here given that 31 over 6 is equal to 31 over 6 into distance. Here given that 2 3 is 6. Then we have to take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator. 31 2 is 62 over 12. Which is greater? Which is greater? Yes, 63 is greater than 62. 63 over 12 is greater than 62 over 12. Okay, students? Therefore, we can write 5 mixed 1 over 4 in place of 63 over 12. Therefore, here we can write 5 mixed 1 over 4 is greater than 5 mixed 1 over 6. 5 mixed 1 over 6. Okay, this is answer. It means that 5 mixed 1 over 4 is greater than 5 mixed 1 over 6. Okay, similarly we can solve all given questions. If any student have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, students, question number 15C and 15D, do it yourself. In maths homework. Okay, if any student have doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? Okay, students, thank you.